Welcome to our woodworking channel. Discover the artistry and craftsmanship behind beautiful handmade furniture and wood crafts. Join us to explore tips, techniques, and inspiring projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking content and stay updated with our latest videos. Happy crafting! Creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that transforms raw wood into beautiful functional pieces, whether creating cozy indoor furniture or charming garden seating. Beginners can enjoy the process and results. Starting with simple projects helps build skills and confidence. Proper planning and understanding of basic techniques are essential for successful woodworking projects. With patience and practice, even novices can craft stunning indoor and outdoor furniture that enhances their living space. Before cutting any wood, spend time designing your sitting plans. Measure your space accurately and decide on the style of furniture you want, such as benches, chairs, or garden seats. Sketch your ideas and list the materials needed. Planning helps prevent mistakes and saves money. Use online resources and woodworking plans to inspire your projects. Beginners should start with simple designs that are easy to assemble and modify as they learn. Selecting the appropriate wood is crucial for durability and appearance. Softwoods like pine and cedar are ideal for beginners because they are easy to work with and suitable for outdoor furniture. Hardwoods such as oak or teak provide a more polished look and last longer outdoors, but they can be tougher to cut. Consider the climate and location of your garden furniture to choose weather-resistant woods. Proper wood selection ensures your sitting plan remains sturdy and attractive over time. Investing in basic woodworking tools is vital for safe and efficient work. A saw, drill, hammer, clamps, and sandpaper are must-haves for beginners. Power tools like a jigsaw or electric drill make cutting and assembly easier. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear and following instructions. As you gain experience, you can expand your toolkit. Starting with simple hand tools helps develop fundamental skills and confidence in your woodworking journey. Indoor woodworking projects often focus on comfort and style. A simple wooden bench or a set of stools can be made with minimal tools and materials. Use smooth, splinter-free wood, and apply finishes like paint or varnish to enhance appearance and longevity. Follow step-by-step plans or tutorials to ensure accurate measurements and assembly. Indoor furniture should be lightweight yet sturdy, making it perfect for beginners to practice basic techniques. Outdoor garden seating requires weather-resistant materials and durable construction. Build a garden bench with slats and sturdy legs, ensuring stability on uneven ground. Incorporate design features like armrests or decorative cutouts to personalize your project. Use treated or natural weatherproof wood, and seal the finished piece with outdoor varnish. Proper planning and careful assembly will result in garden furniture that withstands the elements and adds charm to your outdoor space. Safety is paramount for beginners. Always wear safety goggles, gloves, and a dust mask when working with wood and power tools. Measure twice, cut once, and double-check your plans before making cuts. Keep your workspace organized to prevent accidents. Take your time, and don't rush the process. Patience and precision lead to better results and a more enjoyable woodworking experience. Practice makes perfect. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex designs. Watch online tutorials, join woodworking forums, and learn from experienced woodworkers. Keep practicing basic cuts and joinery techniques. Over time, your skills will improve, and your projects will become more refined. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Use them as learning opportunities to grow as a woodworker. Practice makes perfect. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex designs. Watch online tutorials, join woodworking forums, and learn from experienced woodworkers. Keep practicing basic cuts and joinery techniques. Over time, your skills will improve, and your projects will become more refined. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Use them as learning opportunities to grow as a woodworker.